okay? Old. What do we have there? Did you see a chicken? A chicken. Did you see a sheep? A sheep. His favorite animal is a kitty. A kitty. And you do a chihuahua. Chihuahua. Beautiful, honey. What a good boy. He has a couple people impressions. He does an excellent sneeze. Can you cry? And everybody thinks you're pretty funny. Funny. Very good. Echo, honey, where do bluebirds fly?
Does Echo have a manager?
It's whoever has the peanuts in their pocket.